Find the median of the following numbers: 40, 30, 32, 39, 39, 34, 35, 35, and 37. This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. The median is the middle number after the numbers have been arranged in ascending or descending order. That is, the middle number after the numbers have been arranged from the lowest to the highest or the highest to the lowest. So it means that to get the median, we first have to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. I'll arrange it in ascending order. That is from the lowest to the highest. When we look through the numbers given to us, we can see that the smallest number is 30. The one after that is 32. The one after 32 is 34. The next one is 35. We have another 35. The next one after 35 is 37. The one after that is 39. We have another 39. And the last one, which is the biggest one, is 40. So we now have the numbers in ascending order. The median will be the middle number. After arranging the numbers in ascending order, we can see that we have 4 numbers on the left and 4 numbers on the right. The middle number is 35, so the median is 35. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.